Okay, I'm back. We're doing a cameraless video because, like I said, just about 30 minutes ago, 45 minutes ago on the other stream, I needed to take a shower because I had literally just got home from work. So we're doing cameraless since my hair is wet. Okay, so let's see here. I, you know what? I'm not going to connect to this because here's why. So I'm running my Rhythmic accounts now off of the Ninja Mobile Trader VPS, which gives you basically a constant connection. Yeah, I mean, I need to connect to it, but it gives you a constant connection. That was always why I didn't really like running Ninja before, because it seemed like I would always lose connection to it. And, plus trade copier errors and everything else, it just wasn't, I just didn't think it was in the best interest to run Ninja. But, yeah, so we're just gonna run with this tonight. These are the Tradeify accounts. My PA accounts with Apex are locked in. With Profit, we've got FOMC coming later today, so definitely don't want to, mess with those. Oh, I gotta show this first. Sorry. Okay, now you can read that. So yeah, I don't really want to jack with those PA accounts because that Profit is locked in, and we're rolling with that. So right now you can see here is ES on the hourly, and let's draw that broadening formation. I always like to draw the broadening formation. Extend that out a little bit. There's broadening formation. Draw the bottom part here. Actually, I would probably draw it there. Alright, so really don't have 3 points. You really kind of need 3 points, so I guess you could technically draw it. It'd be a little off, but I guess you could technically draw it here. Well, let me move it since... good enough. Okay. And then if you extend that out there, you can see they kind of meet. So they call that a broadening formation. ICT calls it a broadening formation. The Strat calls it a broadening formation. It is also called a megaphone pattern because megaphone here. Yeah, so we do have this volume imbalance gap here between 6103 up here to 6126. Be interested if they hit it. We'll see if they fill that gap. There's another smaller broadening formation here. You could have also drawn it here, but that's fine. I mean, the way I have it is actually pretty perfect. So yeah, just doing a cameraless shot right now since I just got out of the shower. My hair is wet. May trade these evals, these Apex Wealth Charts evals. I got out of that one trade earlier, and I do need to kind of clear this up a little bit. I've got to the copier. There we go. Yeah. The thing I can't quite figure out here is this thing. I don't know, I guess because I'm on InQ, but let me see if I can switch this symbol. If then it'll switch the, I'm still trying to familiarize my, ooh, that thing is really taken off, isn't it? Oh, I didn't want to do that. Come on. Really? Okay, I wonder if this changes this now. Let's see, what did that say? This is so strange. Yeah, okay. Alright. I didn't really want to get into that trade. I was just kind of testing this out. Let's just flatten and get out of that. I don't know. Like, I feel like you should be able to click here somewhere and change the symbol. Like, that doesn't make any sense to me why you can't. I'm sure I don't have something set up right, but I'm still trying to get used to this wealth charts. But I'm sure, like I said, I don't have something set up right. Oh, come on. I think if you do this... I don't know. So they have this pre-built stuff in, and I did kind of change mine around. Where was the layout? There it is. Wealth Charts Apex. Let's see here. Dark mode. Save changes and switch layouts. Okay. So if you go up here to... Alright. So this is the way they have it set up, like, when you first log on. Add an instrument. Let's do ES. Okay, like, can you do another one, though? I don't know, it's just so strange. Okay, let's see here. In Q. Like, I wonder if I could have, like, a chart for ES and then a chart for NQ. I'm sure there's a way to do it. But, yeah, so see, they have something called the well signal, the breakout, the rain. I don't know. They got all kinds of stuff on there. I just don't really use indicators too much. Add indicators. Yeah, see, they got all this. I don't know. They got a whole bunch of stuff. There was one that I saw that I really kind of did like. Let's try that. I don't even know what that is, but... Oh, this is kind of cool, because you can... well, actually, I don't even know what that does, but... let's see here. I did like the anchored VWAP. And I feel like there was another one that I really kind of liked. But... like, just for the I mean, because I trade the strat and you don't really need indicators if you trade the strat. Maybe it was this one, the supply and demand. I don't know. Like, I just don't really like indicators because I just feel like it really clutters my chart and I can't really truly see what's happening, you know? Um, like, does IRB means internal range break? Like, I don't know. It just, I mean, that, I just feel like that crap is not going to help me at all, so. Alright, so that's what we're going with. I don't need that either. We're going to go with the Anchor VWAP and their Ninja Trader supply and demand. That's what we're going with. Okay, so yeah, so this right here is like, okay, so you can switch between ES and NQ there, but I'm wondering, like, how do I switch it here too, and then also get another chart, because it'd be kind of cool if I could, okay, duplicate chart, let's try that. Let's go here, and then I wonder if I can change the symbol, like, just here instead of changing both sides. Maybe if I switch here, like, what does that do? Down here at the bottom, no, apparently not. Component. Oh, okay. Ah, I see. I don't know how I just did that, but it worked. Ah, there we go. That works. Paper trading. What? The heck they talking about? Oh, because it did the continuous. Oh my gosh. Okay, now I'm on the contract. Because I was like, wait a minute, what are they talking about? All right, let's do one here. If I can figure this all out, like, I feel like it'll be really nice. we'll take that. Quick, $61. This is the just the eval. It's not a PA account. It's just eval. See, like, I don't know how to resize. I'm sure there's a way to do it. Like, if you could resize the charts. Um, See, like you guys tell me, like, like this one better, so much cleaner, or all this cluttered mess. Like this is like some of their default. This is this freaking clutter. Like, how the hell are you supposed to see what's happening in this? Where this, I feel like, is just so much cleaner, right? Like, you can, see if we continue to get a pullback, it's probably going to come down into here, into 56. I don't know what this crap over here is going to do. Like, I don't know. I just don't, like, I mean, maybe O2, but I don't know. I just feel like I like clean charts. See? Clean. Clutter. Oh, hey, appreciate you tuning in, and thank you for the compliment. Um, yeah, I'm trying to do more streams during the week. I'll almost always do a Sunday night stream, but I'm trying to do more streams during the week. It's just I don't always have a consistent work schedule, so that makes it a little more difficult. But yeah, I'm gonna try to do some more, consistent streams during the week. Like this week and next week, I don't even know what I'm doing next week. I think I'm working evening shift again next week, but I don't know. I gotta check. So when I'm working day shift, I'm a night owl for one thing, so working day shift is very hard on me. Plus, with traffic and everything, I'm just not a morning person. I never have been. But yeah, I'm definitely not putting my PA accounts at risk tonight because I'm up $450 in one account tonight. The other one I didn't trade, but I made two 600 ish. Heck, I don't know. I gotta check on it. Oh, come on. Really? Okay, well, let me. You know what? I think. Yeah. I don't know. For some reason, this is not saving my passwords right. I'm not sure why. Like, it should be saving this domain and all that right, but it's not. So let me figure that out real quick and I'll hang on. Let me open this in another window. Yeah, see how I needed to see that clean chart because it literally came down right there where I was looking at was 53. Okay. Shoot. Okay, this is strange. I don't know how in the world. Huh. I can't get this over here to my other monitor for some reason. That's very weird. This is the best way to run Ninja if you have a Mac. Absolute best way. Okay, so you can see here 455 on this account tonight. This one I didn't trade, but earlier today, so I got it to 50,438. This one's at 50,638. Okay, now we're back to the wealth charts and also the Tradeify account. So yeah, so we got a little bit of a pullback here. New 4-hour candle. I'd be looking for ES to come down here to 6103. But the thing is, it could come up here and touch this liquidity back at 6107. So we'll just have to see what transpires here. We are definitely bullish on the hour. Well, hour's getting a slight pullback, but this is the daily chart. So we've gone what the strat would call a 2-up. And so the way that the strat determines that is we went above the wick of the previous day. Now, Monday night on my channel, I did say that I thought that we would stay inside day for Tuesday, and that's Monday night into Tuesday, and that's exactly what happened. We barely stayed inside day, but we did stay inside day, which is inside this range. And then so now we've gone 2-up. However, we're barely above it, so I'd really ideally like us to see, push up into 6131, 6149 tomorrow. But we do have FOMC coming, or tomorrow. It's tomorrow to me because I haven't been asleep yet, but here on Wednesday during the day. So we'll just have to see what transpires, with the Fed. But that's we've already gone 2-up on the day. However, we could go outside day, and then that would be meaning we go above this previous range, but then completely come below it, which would be an outside candle. Outside day takes out the previous, or takes out both sides of the previous day. And it happens on all time frames. So you can always locate, an outside candle, as it refers to price action on the strat. Here's the other thing. We've got all these pivots, which the strat calls a pivot machine gun. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 there in a row. But if we break below this, then you've also got more to the downside. So honestly, obviously I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know what Powell's going to say, whether he'll be hawkish or dovish or just in line. But yeah, so we could absolutely see an outside day there on Wednesday for FOMC. We also, they also could continue to buy this overnight, push us all the way up into this range, 61, 62, and then back down. So I don't know. I have no idea. I mean, is, he going to be dovish and push us to all-time highs? Or is he going to be, really aggressive, and then we just rotate back to the downside? So no one knows what the man's thinking or what he's going to say, but, is obviously a highly anticipated Fed meeting. Whether he'll lower or raise or stay the same, who knows what he's going to say, but the market will absolutely move later today. So I do not anticipate trading that. The only way I would participate in that is with an eval, definitely not a PA account. But that's what we got on the agenda and on the table for later today. So I'm probably going to call it a stream here, call it a night here in just a few minutes, and go to bed. So we've already made a decent sized move tonight, and but yeah, I want to get some rest and be focused tomorrow. So unfortunately, I will be on my way to work by the time Pal comes on and speaks. So I won't, like I said, I won't be able to trade it unless I'm just doing a eval from my phone. I definitely won't be able to trade it from a computer, and I'm not putting my PA accounts in jeopardy at all. So, but that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys have a good night. I'll try to hop on again tomorrow, and we'll do it again. So hope you guys have a good night. Stay safe and take care.